Ironically enough, the video I had scheduled for now that I'm getting ready to do, something happened that had to do with this. Because I was going to do a video of me shaving off my winter fur and going to the goatee. Ironically enough, about an hour ago, something happened. Okay, I'm on my cool down lap. Let me get over on the other side and come back and let me tell you about this. This is good. Okay, I got my video camera ready. Got ready because I was going to do a video. I figured I might as well, because the video I had practically live just yesterday about my son buying me the computer. You guys noticed then. And if you're ever wondering, I am 1 week ahead of my videos. I have to be to stay current. And I only do 3 videos a week, so that's why you're going to see, that's why you've seen all the videos with me with the full beard. But anyway, guys, I gotta tell you what happened. I'm out here doing my walk, something like on my 3rd lap. There's a car parked over yonder there, and a couple people were out of the car taking pictures. See, they're building a pool right back there, and I reckon they want to get some pictures of it. So as I walk by, I got my music in my ears, and I'm a blasting, and the lady started talking to me. And she was with a younger guy about Justin's age, about 24, 25. And this lady's about my age, I reckon. And I pulled out my earplug. I said, "Ma'am, sorry I didn't hear you." And then she had asked me about the pool. She's like, "Hey, how soon would they have that done?" I said, "Well, towards the end of May." And she's like, "Oh, wow." I said, "Yeah, it's going to be amazing when it's done." So I thought she was pretty much done with the conversation. Then the younger guy comes up, and here it goes, here it comes. I get asked this a lot. "How long did it take you to grow your beard?" And I started to answer him, and seconds later, he's reaching, "Can I touch it?" I was like, "No, stop." I pushed his hand back. I said, "Dude, you can shake my hand. Hell, you can even hug me. You don't touch the beard. Nobody touches my beard. Only one person get away with that, and she don't even touch it, and that's my wife." And of course, me being me, I apologize and say, "Hey, I'm sorry, but He says, "I understand, man. I understand how long it take to grow it and this and that." And at this time, I'm like, come on, in my head, I was like, "You're ruining my groove. I don't like to stop when I walk, but I will if you want to ask me a question." It's already been, what, about a minute now? Come on. I'm losing my heat. I didn't get mad that he tried to touch my beard. I just don't like nobody touching it. It ain't the first time somebody trying to touch my beard. I have elderly all the time coming up. "Oh, how long," the questions they ask always, "How long did it take to grow it? Why did I grow it?" And of course, there's a few ZZ Top things in there. Not that I mind, because ZZ Top is an awesome band, but I'm not ZZ Top. So basically, ended the conversation. I apologize for being so, if I was rude, of pushing the dude's hand away, and carried on my walk. For those of you out there that have any type of length of beard, it doesn't matter. You can have a small goatee, it doesn't matter. You always have people trying to touch it. I mean, what is it? And it's not just, okay, very few women. It's usually the dudes, man. The elderly dudes, I get a lot. They want to come up and touch it. Sometimes the elderly women, too. But this gentleman was about 24, 25. And he reached out to touch. I said, "No. Hands off, buddy." So ironically, I set out to make a video about me shaving off the winter fur to summertime fur. And I had a lady, and I guess might have been her son, I don't know, try to touch it. Try to touch the beard, that is. Get them dirty thoughts out of your head. But yeah, one day I will grow the winter fur in and not shave at all. I'm not ready yet. And one day, when that day comes, I'm going to grow the hair back on the head and not shave it either. A day will be coming in the near future, just not right now. Let me get some drinking, and let's close this out. If you're wondering what I'm drinking, it's water. Yes, it's in a sock. That's to keep it from getting cold or frozen. Which I won't need the sock much longer, I hope. I can take it off. Because we're warming up. Tomorrow we're supposed to hit in the 70s. But guys, yeah. Don't mind you talking about the beard. I don't give a crap. You go come up and give me a hug. I can hug you. I can shake your hand. Don't touch the beard. No. I don't like nobody touching it. And my wife, she's the only one I will let, and she don't even jack with it. Alright guys, that's pretty much it, man. Oh, I should do, whenever I do a vlog entry on my slow down walk, I get a better slow down, if that makes any sense. In other words, a better cool down. Because I walk so hard and so fast, and by me stopping every so often, this, you know, on my slow down lap, I don't know, it cools me down better. Alright guys, until the next adventure, which I will have one coming tomorrow, we'll see you then. Come on, let's get out of here.